Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm Andre, and this is Ride to the Sun. Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope a prosperous one at that. I had to get to the Sportster 883, so please forgive me. This is going to be the first drop of the year, 2023. Last year went quite fast, and I'm assuming this one will too. So lots plans for this particular year and some of the things we have in store. So please do subscribe, and I can't tell you how much that would mean to the channel. Please like and comment. This is a community. Hopefully, it becomes that, but that's what I'm hoping it is. With all types of motorcyclists to chime in. But I wanted to get to the Sportster because it's been over 2 decades since the last time I rode a Sportster, and it was like going back home. As soon as I hopped on the motorcycle, I felt this oneness. So it's iconic. I don't think I need to say it. No one else needs to say it. You could look at the vehicle and know exactly what it is, no matter what the profile is. As you can see, I put together a little montage for you all. I try to spare you the history, but it was just too important. One of the Sportster days ago, uh, it has been, it was here, and we'll know it was here. Uh, 10, 20 years down the line, or even more, we will know that the Sportster was here. And there will be a cult following with the Sportster, whether it stays or goes. Whether you're a new rider, an old rider, I found it so important to get on this motorcycle and have, it was a hoot. I remember how fun it was, especially motorcycling. So I think whether you're old head or a new rider, this is a bike that has a place in your garage. I feel like every one of us needs to have a Sportster after riding it. I was quite excited, and I hope you are too. And I hope Harley, in some way or form, keeps the Sportster alive. Because this platform, there's so much you could do, especially with your own hands. You can learn to ride this bike. You can learn to work on it yourself. So this is a bike that's for everyone. It has no niche for me. I think everyone can get on this and go. Whether you want to commute on it, whether you want it for a canyon carver, whether or not this is your only bike. Um, it's just fine. The Sportster has been around for years, and I think, for better or worse, I think Harley will make whatever decision they make. I think it's going to be fine because the Sportster has been around for quite some time, and whatever they bring to replace it or not replace it, it'll be fine too. We will know the Sportster was here, and I think there'll be some of those that are upset, but there are quite a few bikes in the Harley lineup. Not to say they will replace the Sportster, but I think they are doing just fine. I think I'm doing one on the 975 as well. I rode it the very same day. A wonderful motorcycle. The Sportster, uh, just to digress, is a hell of a motorcycle, and I think we all need to appreciate it while it's here. And if you have any experience with the Sportster, comment in the bottom. Was it your first bike? For me, it was a buddy's bike that I rode a couple of decades ago in Italy. He had the Sportster. We used to go out and ride our bikes together. And there's so much you can do to these bikes. And I hope everyone take the time and go out to your Harley Davidson dealer and try to get on these bikes. And if Harley is to get rid of this bike, here's my request: to send it out with a bang. Everything you could throw at it, whether it's a bigger engine. Give us the El Diablo version of the Sportster. If you're going to send it out with the proper respect that he deserves as one of your icons. Harley, give us what we want on this one, and I'll certainly put one in my garage. Everyone, Happy New Year, and I hope you come back and see me or hear me, whichever. So please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification, so when I release a video, you'll be one of the first to see it. All right? So thanks again, and I hope you come back and see me. Happy New Year.